Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste testing episode. Uh, Excuse me, cat's walking between my legs looking for attention. Hi, Miss Raja. Where were we? Booze. We have booze today, but not beer. We have Kombucha, JuneShine, Midnight Painkiller, coconut, pineapple, orange, and nutmeg. 6% ABV. And it says flip can to activate, and half of it's written upside down and half of it right side up. Gluten-free, gut-friendly, hard kombucha. This is from JuneShine, San Diego. We crafted JuneShine to brew honest alcohol for a healthier planet. Each unique flavor is brewed with real ingredients, real, refreshing. JuneShine. Let's see what it tastes like. Smells like fruit and kombucha. Tastes like hard, fruity kombucha. That was a bitter first sip. Kombuchas generally don't have an ABV, but maybe this one should. It's sour. It's not bitter, it's sour. Sorry. The tea flavor is stronger in this one for sure. Let's see what's inside: coconut, pineapple, orange, nutmeg, green tea, and Ju and June kombucha. The tea is strong under all the sour, fruity flavors, and you can definitely taste the nutmeg. And I don't think it needs the nutmeg. It's sour, and it's kombucha, and it's tea, and a little too sour for my tastes. And the nutmeg just there's a weird mouth feel, like something stuck to my teeth or something. Yeah. Some kombuchas I really like. This one, it's like 2.5 on a 5 scale, maybe. There's just too much going on, and none of it is wonderful. It's all just yeah. So that's today's verdict. JuneShine is eh. So that's it. That's all we got. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.